Next aspect is pH scale. P what? H scale. So the pH scale is a convenient scale that describing the degree of acidity and alkalinity or basicity. What? Alkalinity of a solution. Look at what's the pH scale. pH scale is a scale that describes the what degree, or that's used to measure the degree of what of acidity and a what and a alkalinity of the what of the solution. That is what the pH scale. And the pH scale is between what? The what? pH scale is what? Between 0 to what? To 14. 0 to what? To 14. And the pH scale below 7. So what? pH scale below what? 7 is acidic. Is what? Acidic. Then pH scale A that's equal pH scale that's equal to what? 7 is neutral. And the pH scale that's above 7. Above what? 7 is basic. So this is what the structure of pH scale. Started from so here now we have got, let me extend it. So this is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh God. Yes, I'm right. I'm right. I thought it's not up to 7 here. This is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we have 14. So you can see that what from this side, this represents increase in what? In acidity. From here, it represents increase in what? In basicity. This is what? Increase in alkalinity. So here means what? Increase in acidity. But this 7 is what? Is neutral. So all strong acids are belong to the what? Between 0 to 2 or 3. Between 3, 4, 5, 6 are weak acid. Likewise, here for this, an example of what? Of neutral solution. Here, neutral. Here, example here we can have what? Water. Neutral. That is what? The pH scale. So the next thing now that we are going to treat after the pH scale is what we call pH. We call it what? pH. H of strong acid and what? And base. So we want to look at what the pH of strong acid and what? Strong base. Let me rewrite it. I'm not satisfied with this. Call it what? P what? pH of strong acid and base. Yes. The pH we have here. P stand for power. H, hydrogen. We call it what? Power of hydrogen. Power of what? Hydrogen. That's what we call what? The pH. So what is the definition for pH? Now pH can be defined as a negative logarithm. Write it out. P what? pH can be defined as negative logarithm of concentration of hydrogen ion to base 10. And express in mole per dmq. Let us look at it now. Mathematically, What is the pH? pH, I said, is or as simply means what? Equal. Negative, this is sign for negative. Logarithm, this is logarithm. Concentration, this is concentration of what? Hydrogen ion. Expressed in what? In base 10. This is the formula for what? For pH. This is the negative logarithm of concentration of hydrogen ion to base 10 in mole per what? Per dm cube. So this is what? The first equation for P what? pH square. And from law of logarithm, we know that what? From logarithm law, if you have what? Log, we have a log x. Same thing as what? Logarithm of x exponential a. This minus will come here. So it can now give us what? Logarithm pH will be what? Logarithm of conc of h minus 1 to base 10. The same again, we can call this one what? Equation what? Equation 2. If we have what? 10 minus 1, that's what? 1 over what? A. So the pH can also be in what? 1 over what? Logarithm of concentration of what? Of this to what? To base 10. So this is the what? The three method or what? Or way of expressing the what? The pH. And this pH for acid. So if so this is what the three method of expressing P what? pH. So that you can also say what? Also for P what? pOH can also be what? Minus logarithm of concentration of OH minus to what? To base 10. Formula for pOH is this too. Or you can also have it in this form. pOH will be what? Logarithm of what? Conc of OH minus to base 10 this. Finally, pOH can also what? 1 over what? Logarithm of what? Conc of this to what? To base 10. So this also a what? The theory method of writing the pH of what? pOH of a base. So what is the relationship between what? pH and pOH? Yes, there is a proof for it, but I will not prove it. Let me just use this table to show the relationship. The range of this scale for pH is from 0 to what? To 14. This tells us that what? The sum of P what? pH and the pOH equal to the what? 14. That is pOH plus what? Sorry. That is pH plus pOH. Their sum will give us what? For what? 14. So we can also call this one what? Equation 1 here. From this expression, the pH can equal to what? 14 minus what? pOH. Yes, pH minus pOH, or we can also have it what? pOH 14 minus or P what? pOH, call it what? 14 minus minus pH equation what? 3. That is all about what? The pH of what? Of a strong acid. So let us solve 2 questions on this. We will now move to the what? How are we going to what? To find the pH of what? Of a weak acid. Take this question. Example. Calculate the pH of 0.00000001 mole per dm cube of HCl. Yes, you have to find the what? The pH of 0.01 mole of what? Of HCl. So to solve this kind of question, the first thing we do is what? Is solution. What do we have? HCl. It's ionized to H plus, Cl minus. We have how many mole here? 1 mole of HCl produce 1 mole of what? Hydrogen ion, abi? And 1 mole of dealing with hydrogen ion. Then 1 mole of what? Of these two. But how many mole of this they give us? 1 mole of HCl is 0.0001. So since 1 mole of HCl produce 1 mole of hydrogen ion, therefore 0.00 mole 1 of HCl will produce what? 0.0001 of hydrogen ion. So therefore, what is my pH? The pH is always negative logarithm of concentration of hydrogen ion to what? To base 10. We now say what? pH is equal to the what? What is negative logarithm to what? To base 10. What is square of hydrogen ion now? 0.0001 to this. Now, and if you try to what? To convert this, you will now have what? pH will be minus logarithm of what? 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be what? Times 10 raised to power minus what? 4. Can't take it to units. After this dot, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be what? 1 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 4. Abi? It will give us what? 1 times 10 raised to power minus what? 4. It's the same thing as what? pH to the minus logarithm of what? 10 raised to power minus 4. So, the law of logarithm, if this come to this font, we have pH equal to what? Minus multiplied by minus 4 into the what? Logarithm of what? Of 10 to base 10. Abi? From law of logarithm, log 10 base 10 will give us 1. Therefore, the pH will be what? 4. So the pH of this solution is what? Is now 4. Let us solve one more question on it again. Example. Calculate the pH of 0.01 mole per dm cube of sodium hydroxide solution is very easy. So if you want solve this now, let us look at it now. Oh yeah, sodium hydroxide give us what? Na plus OH minus. We have 1 mole of this. We have 1 mole of this, 1 mole of this. So if this is what? 0.01 mole, the OH negative also was 0.01 mole. Therefore, the pH here, it will be what? Minus logarithm of what? pOH, sorry. pOH minus logarithm of OH minus, abi? By solving it, we have P what? OH minus logarithm of what? What do we have? 0.1. 0.1 this to base 10. Okay, by solving it further, what happened? The P, let me solve it here, minus logarithm of this will be what? 1, 2. That will be 1 times 10 raised to power minus 2 is the same thing as what? The pH, oh sorry, pOH will be minus logarithm of 10 raised to power minus 2 to base 10. When 2 come there, it will become plus log this times this, it will give us what? 2. Therefore, let me use this place to solve it. Therefore, pOH will be equal to the what? 2. But we are looking for what? pH. What is the relationship between pH and pOH? This is it. So the pH is equal to the what? 14 minus pOH. pH will be equal to the what? 14 minus what? 2. So the pH will give us what? The what? 12. Can see that what? The pH from 7 and above is what? Is the base. So that is what? The pH. So I'm not done with what? pH of what? Of a strong acid and strong base. The next aspect is what? How are you going to determine the pH of what? Of a weak base.